when you get your Connect, you got to put the mirrors on. You need a 10 mil wrench. The bolts will already be in the door, so you just take them out and put these on. And then it's got a cap. And it's labeled left or right. Oh. This is my first time, so that was easy. Okay, so that's good. Now you want to check the tire pressure, super important. Should be like 32 to 35. These usually say, I think, 40 on them, but as per Darren, he prefers to put 35. What's it say for PSI? 43. Yeah, so you can do that. I mean, it is what it says on the tire, but Darren's recommendation is 35. So I'm going to go with his. So when they come from there, they are at 80. This has been set to 80, so I'm going to put this to 35. It was 30 when it got here. So not much, so I'll go ahead and check the rest of the tires. You're also going to need to turn on the breaker when you get it. So you're going to turn on the breaker, which is right here. Okay? And you also do need to use the parking brake. When you're turning it on, press the brake pedal and press the button, but it takes about 3 to 4 seconds to turn on. Once it's on, then give it just 1 or 2 more seconds, and then you'll have, as long as you've got this in drive, then you got drive. So that's cool. So that's pretty much how you PDI. We'll do another video if we see anything else that we need to check, but this is pretty awesome when it comes just like it is right now. So next we'll do a walkthrough.